What's going on YouTube? Today we're at Delta V Motorsports giving a real test of the DeWalt 20-volt brushless DCS368 reciprocating saw. We're chopping up a E46 M3 convertible because honestly, who the f likes convertibles? Alright, so what we have here is the DeWalt 20-volt brushless XR Max reciprocating saw. I don't know what they actually formally call it, but it's the DCS368 reciprocating saw, and we're going to do a real-world test and chopping up an E46 M3 convertible. Yeah, because most of these videos, they're just chopping up, slicing up wood, and you know, why not just cut up steel? Quick specs on this before we get started. It's got a brushless motor, variable speed trigger, 1 1/8 stroke length, max of 3,000 strokes per minute. It's got power detect, which means it can tell the difference between which battery pack you're using. So they've got the 8 amp hour battery. Apparently it delivers 44% more power with the 8 amp hour battery versus the 5 amp hour battery. We'll be sure to test that. It's got a keyless blade clamp right here, so you can just do that. Although most reciprocating saws don't require a key or a tool, at least in my experience. And also has a work light right there, which I guess is kind of neat for low light situations. What it doesn't have a rafter hook, which I don't care about because I don't work on houses. And yeah, other than that, it feels pretty good. It's pretty hefty. I think it weighs in around 7 to 8 pounds. And the tool costs $250 for the tool by itself, $300 if you get in the kit. The kit comes with the tool, an 8 amp hour battery, a fast charger, and a cute little bag. Oh, I have to say this is not sponsored, but friends at Stanley Black & Decker did send me this tool in the kit form to give it a test. So I'll give you my honest opinions of what we think about it after we chop up the car. But if you can tell by the dirtiness of it, we already did that. I'm just filming backwards. All right. All right, so my final thoughts. Overall, I am pretty impressed with it. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love my Makita reciprocating saw, and this honestly blew it out of the water, but this is also a much newer tool. If you like what you saw and you want to buy this, I'm gonna put an affiliate link below for Amazon. It goes a long way in supporting the channel if you do decide to buy it through there. If not, whatever, you can buy it at your local Home Depot, Lowe's, something like that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Wait, I didn't say anything else here. Kyle, what'd you think? Fine?
I think it did what it needed to do.
Did what it needed to do. Seamus?
I think you're good.
It cut good? Okay, tool works. I like it. We approve. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
All right, go on.
So what we've got here is the DeWalt 20-volt brushless reciprocating saw, also known as the DCS368. And yeah, we're gonna put it through its what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
We're gonna cut some stuff with it, and maybe use a couple of extra blades in case we need them along the way. Cut through a little fucking, you know, just some hard fucking German steel, man.
Oh shit.
Man, tough.
DCS368. What is this actually? What does the marketing call this? DeWalt 20-volt
I don't know,
brushless?
man, but like,
If you were like the new, DeWalt.
It's not new. It's 2 years late. They sent this to me 2 years ago.